Leading to Lean came forward with a plan saying, here's how we will set up a site, here's how we deploy it. There was a lot of skepticism within different departments in Autoliv. People were saying there's no way you can do it in 5 or 6 weeks. We actually, in several cases, did it in about 2 weeks.
We've seen that several times here where people have promised a certain time frame and they weren't able to hit it, or we hit roadblocks and weren't able to hit it. But that wasn't the case with Leading to Lean. They were able to work with us and get things imported into the system within a day. There weren't any hidden charges, and we got exactly what we paid for.
The implementation here at Purple was extremely fast. They have a Gantt chart that itemizes every step of the process, and they hit it every time. When they come in, the installers have industry knowledge. Helping the resources understand why and what it means for them in a practical sense is what sets Leading to Lean's training and their system aside.
The group that came to see us was very easy to work with and very transparent. They want to make sure you win, and they're going to put the effort in. Overall, it's just been one of those quiet programs we've installed, and it's probably one of the leading pieces of software we have in the manufacturing group.
Basically, I only remember it taking a week. The L2L crew came, trained three of us, as I recall, over the course of 3 or 4 days. Then we just started using it. It's very powerful and it's very easy to use. And the maintenance technicians were dispatching themselves and opening and closing dispatches within days.
The thing that makes it easy to deploy is how configurable the software is. They've tried to build a platform that's flexible enough that it can adapt to any business process. And that shortens the lead time significantly.
This is a worldwide thing that we're looking to implement Leading to Lean and use it so that we can get visibility on all of our facilities so that we can do continuous improvements for everything. We know it's going to be a piece of cake.